welcome back to my channel. So today what I have for you guys is going to be my February favorites, and I don't have a lot of products. I did not do a January favorites, so I want to apologize from now. So yeah, if you're not part of the Pineapple Squad, then don't forget to join my Pineapple Squad here on YouTube. And today we want to talk about my favorite products for the month of January and February, kind of combined. I don't have a lot of products, but I wanted to film this video for you guys. So my first product that I've been obsessed with for these past 2 months have been this. And this is the Rimmel London Stay Matte Mattifying Loose Powder, and it looks like this is this one right here. And guys, this powder, I don't know if it has flashback yet because I haven't tested it for that, to be honest. So I probably should. I probably should test it for flash because I haven't. And no flashback. No flashback that I see. Alright, so it doesn't have flashback. But this powder, I love to bake with it. I know some people are not really like happy with baking or anything, but recently I've been obsessed with baking. So I've been baking with this, and it just sets my under eyes for the whole day when I'm at work, and it just leaves my skin like looking like lighter. Like I feel like it's highlighting my under eyes as well. Today I did not use this one. Today I used my Coty one, but I always go from the Coty to this one, from the Coty to this one. And to be honest, the final result that I like, where I like better, is with this one. I like how this one looks better at the end, which is really weird. But yeah, I've really been liking this one. I really do recommend it. It is really affordable. It's like $4 something, and you get it at Walmart, and it's pretty good. So go buy it. And then another thing that I've been loving for this month that I haven't even told you guys, like I feel kind of bad that I haven't told you guys the products that I've been loving, because I know some of you do wait for those videos. And I've been really liking the NYX No Filter finishing powder, and it looks like this. And I've been trying it out for the last 2 months. And you guys know that my Bare Minerals powder is my favorite, but that one expired already. It was breaking me out. It gave me such a bad rash, if you remember. That was back in December. So I stopped using it, I threw it out, and I wanted to try something different. So I'm trying this one out, and I don't know how I feel about it yet. I do like that it doesn't have flashback. It pretty much makes my skin feel really good, but I want it with more coverage. But this one's really good. It is my exact skin color. It is doing the job, and it's really nice, and I've really been liking it. And then something else that I've been loving for this month, guys. It's really dirty, and I want to apologize in advance. But this is the beauty blender that I got. Oh my god, it's so dirty. This is a beauty blender that I got from Shop Miss A. Guys, this is better than the beauty blender. If you like the beauty blender because it's really squishy, it's like really nice, you like how it feels, and it gets really big when you wet it, you would definitely like this one, because this one's more squishier. Not squishy like hard. Like I know the Real Technique one, I don't like the Real Techniques one. It's like too harsh, too like when I try to get like under my eyes with that one, I feel like it's like poking my eye, and I don't like that. I don't know about you, but this one is so much better. Oh my god, this, I'm literally gonna buy 10. Literally, if you're a makeup artist, you should definitely go on the Shop Miss A website. We'll leave it down below, and just go and shop and buy 10 of these. They're like $1 something, and it's so much better than the beauty blender. I guess even fatter. Okay, so I have my old beauty blender, and then this one, you guys can see that that one is bigger. Can you guys believe that? That one is big. This one, no, this one's bigger than the beauty blender, and they're both dry. So imagine when they're big. Like, it's crazy. And something else that I've been loving that I bought from Shop Miss A is this brush. It is dirty as well. I need to clean my brushes. Is this brush right here. It did come with this one, and I like them both, but I like this one better. This one I just used to clean up my eyebrows when I shape them with concealer. And then this one right here, I've really been liking. This is the AOS Studio high definition brush in number F3. And it looks like this. It looks like a normal kabuki brush, but oh my goodness, it applies my foundation so good. I'm obsessed with it. And it also comes with this brush. I think these two together were like $3 something or $2 something, and that's amazing. These are so good. I'm gonna buy more brushes from Miss A, because if these two are so good, I cannot imagine how the other ones are. And I'm obsessed. Like, they are very, very good brushes. And the next thing I've been loving this month, which we're not even gonna be surprised, is my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I need to buy a new one, and I have mine in tan. I need to buy another one that's closer to my skin tone. This one's not that bad. It kind of blends in, and you can't even notice that it's too late. But yeah, this one is a very nice. This concealer is never gonna get old. There's nothing that's gonna top this concealer, to be honest. It's just nothing's gonna top this concealer. Alright guys, so the next thing is this highlighter. I've been obsessed with this highlighter, guys. This is the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter. Yo, you guys are gonna die. Like, this is the best highlighter from the drugstore that I've tried. I really do like my Wet n Wild and everything, but the formula for this one is a little different. It's so good. And I have mine in Molten Gold, and that's the one I'm wearing today. Like, guys, this highlighter is like the bomb diggity bomb. So if you're really looking for an affordable highlighter from the drugstore that it's like literally high end, like, I like this as much as I like my Anastasia one. And you guys know that I'm obsessed with the Anastasia Also Hollywood. That is my all-time favorite highlighter when it comes to high-end makeup. But this one, literally, it's so good. I really like this one. The formula, everything, the price, amazing. I've been using it since December. I'm obsessed. Something else that I've been liking for this month is the Catrice Prime and Fine Pore Refining Anti-Shine Base. And this does not blur out my pores. It doesn't really do anything when it comes to texture. But I like wearing it under my makeup because I feel like my foundation glides on my skin so much better. And that's what I like about a primer. I am in the lookout for a primer that can, I don't know how to say it, like a primer that can like hide my pores from like right here, like these little bad boys right here. I'm looking for a primer that can hide these right here. But in the meanwhile, I love having a primer that hydrates my skin and makes my skin feel good when I'm applying the makeup, and I feel like this does the job. And it's really good, it's really affordable. It's from Catrice. You can get it at Ulta. And yeah, I've really been liking that one. So the two foundations that I've been wearing for these past months are these two. And you guys already know which ones they are. These are the ones I've been wearing the last 2 months, if you're wondering. This is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation, and I have mine in Toffee Pecan. And then this one is the Maybelline 24-Hour Foundation, which is amazing. I have reviews on both. Go watch them, I'll leave it down below. And let me see. And I have mine in 320 Honey. And these are my go-to foundations for this month. Like, this is heaven right here. This is the best foundation in the world. Something else that I've been using this month, if I could just find it, is this NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. I've been using this for the last like 2 months, and I really do like it. Is it worth the $30, $30-something? No. Am I gonna repurchase this? No. Just because I have other options that are more affordable that I could buy. Although you're so good, you're not this. Like, you're not sharp. You're not Tarte Shape Tape. So it's really good and everything. Like, it's really creamy and everything. But I don't know. People were raving about this so much. And I honestly want to know why. Like, I want to know why. But it's a good concealer. It does the job. It's something like, oh my god, you know, you're going crazy for it. Not gonna happen. Maybe for somebody that doesn't have dark circles like me. I don't know. For me, it does not. For me, it did not work. And I'm not gonna be repurchasing this. And my next favorite is gonna be this. And this is a NYX Dark Circle Corrector. I don't use this for my under eyes because I have really bad under eyes, you guys know. And if I use this, it's not gonna look very good. So I use this to carve out my eyebrows with my Real Technique little detail brush. I used to just carve my eyebrows like this. And this concealer does a really good job at that, so I really do recommend it if you want to try it out. It's really creamy and really nice, and it's really creamy. Like, I love when concealers for my eyebrows are creamy. You guys know I used to use my MAC Paint Pot, but I used the heck out of that one. I had to buy a new one. But yeah, these are the favorites that I have for you guys. I don't think I have anything else. I have a couple other things that I'm still trying out that I don't want to tell you guys yet, just because I'm still trying to, like, you know, try it out. But yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And don't forget to join the Pineapple Squad. Hit this video a big thumbs up and comment down below. I want you guys like commenting down below so I can know how you feel about the video. Like, just tell me what you feel about the video down below. And I'm trying to upload more videos for you guys, but school, I'm going for my bachelor's, and everything else in life is just like really hard. But I'm not gonna stop making videos for you guys, I promise. But yeah, love you guys so much. God bless you guys, and I will see you guys very soon in my next video. Bye guys.